Dear student, welcome to my next class of algebraic expression and identities of class 8th. This is from class 8th. Dear student, today we will see exercise 6.1, question number 2 from the exercise 6.1 from the chapter algebraic expression and identities. Let's start. Classify the following polynomials as monomials, binomials, trinomials. You know, an expression having one term is called monomial expressions, and an expression having two terms are binomials, and expression having three terms are trinomials. And also in the question it is mentioned which polynomial do not fit in any of these three categories. Okay, that we have to see. The expressions are given. Let's start. Let's see which are monomials, which are binomials, and which are trinomials, and which are not fit in these three categories. Let's start. The first one given is x plus y. Now in this expression we have two terms. It means it is binomial. So we will write that in the binomial, x plus y. Now next is 1000. Only one term. An expression having one term, that is monomial. So this 1000 will come in monomial. We have only one term. Then next, x plus x square plus x cube plus x to the power of 4. Here you see, student, there are total 4 terms, student. So 4 terms means it is 4-degree equation. This is not monomial, this is not binomial, this is not trinomial, student. So this will come in polynomial, do not fit in any of these three categories. It will come here. X plus x square plus x cube plus x to the power of 4. Again, let's see next expression. 7 plus y plus 5x. You see there are 3 terms. So we can say this is trinomial. 7 plus y plus 5x. Next, student. Here we have 2 terms. This is binomial. An expression having 2 terms, that is binomial. So that expression will come in binomial. Next, student, 2y minus 3y square plus 4y cube. You can see here we have 3 terms. So this is trinomial. This will come in trinomial, student. 2y minus 3y square plus 4y cube. Now next, 5x minus 4y plus 3xy. Here also you can see there are 3 terms. So it will come in trinomials. 5x minus 4y plus 3xy. Next one, 4z minus 15z square. Here you will see there are 2 terms. If there are 2 terms, we can say this is binomial. 4z minus 15z square. Here one more is there, student, PQR. Let's see next one. Here you can see there are 4 terms, so this is not fit in these 3 categories. So it will come in polynomial which do not fit in these 3 categories. AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. 4 terms are there, so it is not fit in the above 3 categories. Now next, P square plus Q plus PQ square. 2 terms, student, it will come in binomial. P square Q plus PQ square. Next student, 2p plus 2q, two terms are there, so this is also come in binomials. 2p plus 2q. Last student, pqr, this is one term, so this will come in pqr. So this is the solution for this answer. I hope you understood how to differentiate monomial, binomial and trinomials, and also which polynomial do not fit in these three categories. If you have doubt, you can write in the comment section. I will give answer. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel Tech Mathematics. Thank you for watching my videos.